Hi, I'm Mark Moran, Principal Dentist of Brampton Dental Practice in Cambridgeshire. We've had this amazing virtual skylight fitted a few months ago, and it's been an amazing addition to the surgery. All the patients have commented on it. It's the one thing that they really notice. But not only that, I think it's really helped to enhance their experience in coming to visit us. Gives them something to focus on, gives them a place to wander off to in their minds. It's a talking point, and it's definitely a relaxation tool. The staff have found it amazing. It lights up the room. It's always in your peripheral vision, and it just gives a more airy, light feel to the surgery. We ended up choosing this because we felt it was a great image to have above the chair, a canopy of trees. There were a huge number of image choices. You can literally choose any topic you want and then delve into that using filters and so on. One of the biggest problems we had was making the final decision, but in the end, everyone's really happy. And it's been a fantastic addition to my surgery.